Hey guys, so this is it. The product we have all been waiting for, the Sony WH-1000XM4. It retails for 350 US dollars or 549 Singapore dollars, and it's available in colors like black and platinum silver. It's got up to 30 hours of battery life with noise cancelling, supports voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, and it's got app support too from the Sony Headphones Connect app. So it's possible to enjoy software updates over the air as well as deeper customization of the headphones themselves. So in many ways, it is quite similar to the XM3s, except that it's got some new features that we have all been asking for a very long time, like multi-point pairing, Bluetooth 5 support, and it promises to have better phone call quality and better noise cancelling performance than the XM3s because it's got like 5 microphones in the ear cups compared to the XM3's 4 microphones. That extra microphone is specifically used for voice pickup, so it's gonna be interesting to see how they compare to the XM3s in terms of performance, which is a video that you can watch over here. Some other features include speak to chat, so if you want to talk to somebody in front of you, you don't have to manually activate transparency mode anymore. The headphones will automatically detect that you're speaking and switch to transparency mode for you. And finally, it supports a new and more powerful audio upscaler called DSEE Extreme. So it's gonna do a much better job at upscaling your lower resolution music files to get them to sound more high res. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna unbox these headphones, test all of its new features, and give you my first impressions of the Sony WH-1000XM4. Let's go. Okay, so you've got some instructions telling you to download the app to set up the headphones. This is the case. And we've got some literature here. Includes a free trial of 360 reality audio. How nice. Okay, let's put this aside. Alright, so there you have it. The Sony WH-1000XM4. Fresh out of the oven. Smells fresh too. Wow, fresh. Okay, what do we have here? A 3.5mm audio cable, airplane adapter, a USB Type-A to Type-C cable. Well, as far as I can tell, nothing much has changed here in terms of design. I mean, it looks pretty much like the XM3s in many ways, except for perhaps the NFC logo here being embossed instead of being printed onto the ear cup. Here there is a custom button which used to be the ambient button. So instead of just toggling between different ambient sound modes, now you can get this button to do something else instead. Some design change here around the portholes of the ear cups, the cushions being a little thicker, the headband's joints being a little more stiff than the XM3s, and it says here on the headband WH-1000XM4 instead of WH-1000XM3. But perhaps the most significant change is inside the left ear cup, you have a proximity sensor which will help the headphones detect when you take the headphones off so that it automatically pauses your music. Yes, the XM4s, unlike the XM3s, have auto music pause. Okay, headband stretch test. Yep, the headband is not creaking at all. This is a very high quality headband. Alright, comfort test. Yeah, it is as comfortable as the XM3s, but somehow I feel like there's a little more room inside the ear cups for my ears. Okay, now we're gonna dive in a little deeper. I'm gonna do a series of tests, but I'm not just gonna test its basic functions like touch controls, sound quality, phone call quality, noise cancelling performance. I'm also gonna test its new features. Features like multi-point pairing, speak to chat, auto pause play. Okay, so I've paired it to my phone. Touch controls test. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh yeah. Yeah, I can feel the noise cancellation. Yeah, it feels quite powerful, but that'll be later. That test will come later. First, the touch controls test. Play. Okay, good. Pause. Skip forwards. Okay, good. Pause. Increase volume. Increase volume. Maybe I should play music first. Okay, play. Increase volume. Yeah. You gotta play music first before increasing or decreasing. Decrease. Okay. Pause. Now it works. Ambient sound pass through. Yep. No problems there. It's instantaneous. So touch controls, no problems. Automatic pause music. Now I'm playing music. Yep, it works. Okay, multi-point pairing. I've got both of these devices connected to the XM4. Let's play music from both of them. Let's take turns. Let's start with the iPhone SE. Okay, so it's playing music now. Let's start playing from here instead. Okay, so the iPhone stopped playing music, but now music is playing from the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let's repeat the process. Let's start playing music on the iPhone again. Notice how the Note 10 Plus pauses the music. And now it's playing from here. Yep, so it works. Now, this will work for phone calls too. So you can pick up phone calls from either device. But do remember that if you're using or if you choose to activate multi-point pairing within the Sony Headphones Connect app, you will not be able to use the LDAC high resolution codec. But of course, if both of your devices are iPhones, that wouldn't really matter because iPhones don't support LDAC anyway. I am now activating Speak to Chat. Speak to Chat is a feature which automatically engages ambient sound pass-through the moment the headphones detect that you're speaking. You can set Speak to Chat to deactivate at 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or 1 minute within the Sony Headphones Connect app. Speak to Chat here will deactivate in 15 seconds. Next, noise cancelling test.
Noise cancelling.
Well, I gotta say that its noise cancelling performance is impressive. It cancels a lot of low frequency noise and it seems a little quieter too in the mid range compared to the XM3s. So I think Sony wasn't joking when they said that the fifth microphone, you know how the XM4s have 5 microphones compared to the XM3's 4 microphones. That fifth microphone is meant to enhance these headphones' noise detection capabilities in the mid-range, and I think it seems to be working pretty well. Phone call quality test. As usual, I'm gonna play the same background noise that I played before and record a voice memo on my iPhone. Record. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Now that was pretty good. There was quite a bit of improvement over the XM3s. My voice sounded clearer, it had more definition, less bloat, and the background noise cancellation was also quite a bit better than the XM3s. If you want to hear the difference between the XM4s and the XM3s in terms of phone call quality, check in the link in my description box because I've also put up a side-by-side comparison video of these headphones, and there you will be able to hear the difference. Okay, sound quality test. Juliet, she felt the same when he put his arms around her. He said, okay, you know what? Coming at these headphones, first time, my first impressions is that they sound very good. They sound, I mean, if you're coming from the XM3s, they're gonna sound very familiar because they sound quite similar to the XM3s in many ways. You're gonna get similar performance in terms of track separation, clarity, detail, bass extension, sound staging. Of course, if you want to see a more in-depth comparison between these headphones, I encourage you to look in my description box. Now we're going to check if these headphones have any Bluetooth audio lag when playing video games or watching videos on both Apple and Android devices. As usual, for an Apple device, I'm going to use the iPhone SE. For Android, I'm going to use the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. First, let's see what no lag looks like on the iPhone SE. This is audio straight from the iPhone speaker, so no lag. Now, the XM4's Bluetooth audio lag on iPhone, then the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now we're going to see if there's any Bluetooth audio delay when watching videos on YouTube. Hey guys, what's up? It's me again. Welcome back and welcome to the biggest comparison video that I've ever made on this channel. What's going to happen is I'm going to grab a big bunch of some of the most popular earbuds in the market and we're going to compare their phone call quality. And we're going to find out which of these earbuds have the best phone call quality of them all. Now, hey guys, what's up? It's me again. Welcome back and welcome to the biggest comparison video that I've ever made on this channel. What's going to happen is I'm going to grab a big bunch of some of the most popular earbuds in the market and we're going to compare their phone call quality. And we're going to find out which of these earbuds have the best phone call quality of them all. Now, some of you may recall that I've actually... So this is my first impression of the XM4s. Since much about the XM4s had already been leaked before release, I can't say that I was surprised in any way by what it could do or its features because we already know so much about it. But I am a man of high expectations and they have met every one of my expectations in terms of noise cancelling performance, sound quality, phone call quality, and all of these new features like speak to chat, auto pause play, multi-point pairing, they seem to work very well and they do seem quite useful too. Like I could imagine myself totally using speak to chat because I could be having a conversation with somebody and that lag time at the very end gives somebody in front of me enough time to respond to whatever I'm saying. so that I can respond back and continue this back and forth while maintaining that ambient sound pass-through. So if you currently own the XM3s and you're thinking of upgrading to the XM4s, at this point I would say why not, alright? Just go for it. But there's also this whole other group of people who were thinking of getting the XM3s in the first place but decided not to because it didn't have some of the features that they wanted, like multi-point pairing. If that is you, then perhaps it is time to consider getting the XM4s. Because based on my first experience with these headphones, I gotta say that they truly live up to the hype. Now, of course, there's also this thing about the XM4s lacking aptX HD or aptX codec. Some people may not want to upgrade from the XM3s because of that. Some people might not switch over from the Sennheiser Momentum Wireless 3 headphones to the XM4s because these don't have aptX HD or aptX. But it doesn't take away from the fact that what it can do, it does very well, and these are indeed one of the best noise cancelling wireless headphones in the market right now. So definitely worth a look, the Sony WH-1000XM4 $350. Thanks for watching, please smash like, and if you want to know the latest pricing of the XM4s, check in the link in my description box. If you want to see me compare these headphones with other headphones in the market, please subscribe and ring the notifications bell because this is the only way YouTube will notify you of new content from this channel. To see me compare the XM4s to the XM3 headphones, please click on this video over here. If you want to see me compare the XM4s to the Sennheiser Momentum 3 wireless headphones, click on this video over here. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.